Wow, what an AGM from Elon Musk here, sounding rather emotional, in fact. Overall, what is your takeaway?
I think he did a great job answering the questions. Top of mind for everybody was Model 3 production, which has been brutal. He discussed the lines. He discussed what was going on with the production. He talked about getting to 5,000, but taking about 2 years to get there, but actually getting to positive cash flow at some point. So one, they're not running out of money, which is the good news. Two, he's definitely focused on operations. And three, I think he got a little humility in there.
Yeah, I think that part on cash flow was critical, even the profit forecast. Ultimately, that line that he does not expect to have to raise money on capital markets, you could almost see the relief in that initial move in the stock price. Do you think, though, there is still a question of trust, even when it comes down to the forecast for the Model 3 production? Are analysts out there still going to say, look, we want to see the proof, enough of the promises?
I think the customers are saying that as well, in terms of the number of returns. But I think in terms of deposits that are going back, but I think there is some trust. I think Elon was being very, very humble about his prediction of timelines being off. But I think they addressed one of the critical issues was getting 3 lines of production for the Model 3. The third one, they think they can get to 5,000 units on its own. And in aggregate, he made a commitment to deliver 5,000 units by the end of June per month. Now, if they can do that on 3 lines, I think they can actually get to their production goals of getting there, which is back to our original point about getting the stock back to 350. He's got to get to 5,000 units to do that.
Speaking of the stock, there was some pressure from shareholders, as we all know, that the CEO and chairman roles should be split. Elon Musk surviving that pressure for now. That's good news for him. Is it a good message sending to shareholders? What do you think?
I think it is. I mean, when you have like a founder type individual driving this type, not that he was the founder, but when you have a founder type individual driving that vision, it's important to keep those together. And it's one of the things we've learned about in the Valley, that those types of individuals do succeed because they are actually a driving force for that change. I don't think Tesla's at that point yet where they need to do that split, but I think the shareholders made that decision pretty clear as well.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.